Hey guys, today I want to show you how you can set the endpoints of your Flysky FS-MG7. So not your standard endpoint of channel 1 and channel 2, but I will show you how you can set the endpoints of all the other channels. Stay tuned. So first of all, I hooked up a small setup to demonstrate how you can adjust the endpoint. So this is your channel number 1, that's of course your steering, and then we have hooked up channel number 4 over here. You can see the middle servo moving, and then this one is channel number 5 over here. You can see it moving, it's the rocker switch right over here. So if you want to use, for example, a dig function, or if you want to use the 2-speed function in your RC car, or the divlux, for example, you have to set the endpoints of the servo correctly, otherwise you will burn the servo. So to do so, you have to use this little button to choose which channel you want to set up. So when you press the bind button 2 times quickly, the LED over here will flash in red a couple of times. So if it flashes 3 times in red, then you can adjust channel number 3. So if it flashes 4 times red, then you will adjust channel number 4. When you see 5 flashes, then you will have number 5, etc. So let's show you if I press it 2 times. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now you can set 4, 5, 6. Sorry, this was channel number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can adjust channel number 7. When I press it twice again, 1. That's for channel number 1 for your steering. So if I turn it, press it, now you can see this servo moving. You see, now it's moving. So when I press it 2 times again, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So now you can adjust channel number 3. So for the demonstration, I didn't hook up anything on channel number 3. So when I press the 2 buttons right over here, the steering trim, nothing happens. Okay, when I press it 2 times again, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can adjust channel number 4. So this is channel number 4, the middlest one, as you can see. So if I press the plus and the minus, you can adjust the servo. Can you see it moving? You see? So that's how you can set the endpoints. Okay, then when I press the bind button 2 times again, it goes to channel number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is hooked up to channel number 5. So when I use the plus and the minus again, you can see it moving. You see it move in the opposite direction. So this is how you can set the endpoints of the different channels. So if you want to do it, for example, for channel number 7, then you have to press it a couple of times until you see the red LED flash 7 times. So if you want to go to channel number 7, let's press it twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, we want to do number 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and now you can adjust the endpoints of channel number 7. So when you press it 2 times again, then it will go back to channel number 1 and the red LED will flash only once. See, 1 time, and now you can adjust this servo again. Do you see it moving? So that's how you can set the endpoints of your Flysky FS-MG7. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned to my channel. If you got any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below and please subscribe. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye bye.